Special Appreciation Award for Innovation in HVAC Solution for coaches or station goes to Sekisui Foam International.
Sekisui Foam International has left an indelible mark on the industry since its inception in 1964, introducing pioneering technologies such as the world's first electron beam cross-link closed-cell foam. With a rich history and global presence, their commitment to environmental protection, evidenced by ISO 14001 and ISO 9001 certification, is commendable.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much to the Raid Analysis for giving us this particular award, and more importantly, recognizing the importance of insulation in this particular rail industry itself is a great thing to happen today. Thank you very much.
Thank you.